might not like how you look to the point that you want a drastic change to your appearance. And I don't want you to get plastic surgery. So this is the closest thing to plastic surgery without plastic surgery. I want a 360 how you look to make you look better. Starting with changing your haircut. I cannot stress this enough. Yo, you saw me do it live here like 3 months ago. I went from curls, I was like, you know what, F it, I'm buzzing it. I wanted something simpler. It changes your appearance completely because a new hairstyle highlights new features of your face. Now, I'm not telling all of you to get a buzz cut. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is change whatever haircut you do have at the time. See, you probably are rocking the same hairstyle for the last 8 years that you've had since middle school. So you look like a dweeb still, bro. It's time to grow up, mature a little bit. So if you've been using the same haircut, going to the same barber for 10 years, here's my recommendation. If you don't trust that barber, go to a new barber, someone with good reviews that looks like a pro, that you can see his work, and ask them to give you a new cut, some new recommendation for your face shape. Remember, not everybody looks good with every haircut. So what I use or what you use might not look on each other. You have to find something that works for your face and change it completely. That's gonna be game changer. Number 2, wear a pair of sunglasses. Till this day, I think only like 10% of the male population takes advantage of this hack. Glasses have the power to drastically change your facial appearance. It structures your face, and more importantly, it hides imperfections. It's like a 2-in-1 on top of the style and on top of the functionality that they're made for of protecting you from the sun's rays. But till this day, walk out. Only about 10, maybe 20% of men still use this hack to their advantage. Don't be that guy. If you want that drastic change, you started with the haircut, boom, get a pair of glasses, bro. And if I were you, yo, our new Jade Blacks, I got you covered 24/7. Our new 2-in-1 Jade Blacks are both blue light blocking glasses and sunglasses. And the cool part is that when you're outdoors, boom, you got your pair of sunglasses. You're looking good, you're looking sexy, you've changed your appearance. You take that off, as soon as you go indoors, you can keep the frames on your face, and now they're blue light blockers. Now you got something to protect yourself against a computer, on the phone, or the tablet, while also still looking good because you have that structured frame on your face. I'm out here trying to make sure day, night, indoor, out, you're on point. That's what I'm trying to make sure of. Don't miss out, bro. So you know what? I'm gonna hook it up. Right now, most of them are gone because of a Black Friday sale. But for whatever's left on our 2-in-1 glasses, I think we have 3 pairs. They're gonna be linked down below. If you buy all 3, 40%. Shoot, 40% eats a lot of it. These are expensive to make. They're more expensive than the rate. Shoot. All right, I already said it. I don't wanna backtrack. I'll give you 40% if you buy all 3 right now, where you have 3 different designs. So every time you throw them on, you're changing how you look, bro. If you want to check them out, click the link down below. 3, cut out social media. I'm not telling you to just not be on social media. It's good. Social media is a powerful tool. I'm saying cut it out from molding you. Most of you are draining your life into TikTok, into social media. You spend 24/7 on that app. It sucks you in, and guess what? It makes you a loser like everyone else that's consuming it. Consuming social media is not the bad part. The bad part is allowing social media to consume your life. So now you don't have friends, you don't have girlfriends, you don't have experiences, you don't have any skills, you don't have any money. Now all you do is a loser, constantly swiping on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, doing absolutely nothing. You want to drastically change your appearance? Cut off social media. Don't become like them. Rise above, right? Actually experience the real world and just see how your appearance will change. This takes me to number 4, cut out vices. I'm talking about your alcohol. Anything that's addictive. Even coffee, alcohol, partying, staying up at night, eating a bunch of junk food. Cut it. It's hard. Cut it. Not only do you gain weight from all this stuff, but it sucks you dry. Most of these are your alcohol, your coffee. These are dehydrants. So they dehydrate your body. They dehydrate your skin. It makes you look older than you really are. You basically, you go from being a grape to a raisin, dried out, used up. You look tired all the time. Number 5, change your style. This one's a good one. See, most of you don't use this to your advantage either. If you find yourself stuck in a rut, and let's say you're the type of guy, for example, I was the type of guy, I would always wear suits all the time, right? And then I decided, you know what? 360. Like the advice that I give you guys is advice that I applied in my life. I didn't want to just be the suit guy or the guy that, yes, I love wearing, and I still wear suits to this day, right? But I like being able to wear everything. I like being able to know how to use anything and everything that I'd like. So what I'm saying is, if you're the type of guy, you're always in chinos and slack, or in chinos and a dress shirt. All right, switch it up. What if one day you came up with an oversized hoodie, some oversized carpenter pants, some dunks or some Air Force One, something crazy? Yes, uncomfortable. Yes, unexpected, but drastic. Or vice versa. Say you are that guy. What if you switched it up? Some tailored pants, some nice leather shoes, some Tom Fords or whatever you want to wear, right? A nice dress polo. This is from Suit Supply, right? Something casual, something that shows off the physique, that's elevated, drastic. If you go from being that streetwear guy to this guy, drastic. Change your look, which ultimately takes me to number 6. Talk to more girls. After all of this, if you want a drastic change to your appearance, talk to more women. The more women you talk to, the more confident you become, the more charismatic you become, the more comfortable you become. And that is by far, out of everything that I'm talking about, the most powerful thing you can do for your appearance. A confident man is unstoppable, and it's palpable, it's noticeable, without changing anything. The way you walk, the way you sit, the way you look, everyone can tell. That's a good-looking man. Without even changing your clothes, without changing how you style yourself, without any of that, your confidence is the most important thing. Talking to more girls will put that confidence into practice.